from Nakuru Law Courts. And now, Mukurweini MP John Kaguchia is currently before the National Cohesion and Integration Commission, where he's being grilled over alleged incitement remarks. We'll cross over there to follow the proceedings.
Kaguchia, to say what is in his heart and in his mind. Number two, after listening to him, we consider what he says, and then retreat as a commission and communicate accordingly. Bwana Kaguchia, what would you say?
We would wish to have advised him as counsel before he addresses you. So we wish to have 2 or 3 minutes technical leave.
You have
yes
the right to do so.
Thanks to the